Okay, yeah. So talking about programming languages, what is that? So basically, programming language is a language that we use to communicate with the computer. So, if in the reality, we use our languages some kind like a Indonesian language or English language to communicate with friends or college. But in here, in this context, we use language that is programming language to communicate with the computers. And what can we do with programming language? We can instruct, we can give an over to the computer to do something with programming language, or we can build something like called algorithm, some certain a line of code, some instruction to to say to the computer what computer wants to do, we're going to do. So that's the programming language. For example, I don't know if you have heard about the example of programming language, but so far, the most or the well-known programming language are the first one is SQL, a structured query language. This is the language for querying database, management system database, yeah. And then the second one, the most programming language is Python. The Python is not an animal, but is a programming language name. So you have to differentiate it. Okay, so yeah, maybe that's the first definition or explanation about programming language.
All right. Okay. So please, Aldo, so you can deep diving with several questions.
Yeah.
It's a clear copy of understanding.
Yeah. Yeah, I listen from Farrell. In programming is the language to communicate with a computer, and if we input the code to the to the computer, yeah, the computer will work to do it. In here, my question. My question is about algorithm.
Okay.
Yeah. Is algorithm is like we give the instruction by number 1010. Is it like that?
Okay. Yeah. Algorithm. When we talk about algorithm is a set of instructions. If you can imagine, is it the like recipe menu? If you can imagine, is it that certain step to not menu? I think recipe. Uh, there are certain steps to make something, maybe to make a cake or to make a uh, crumble eggs, I don't know. But when you talking about the binary is zero and one uh, system. That that system is work inside of the computer, although. So when I write the name Mikhail Risaldo in Word, in Microsoft Word, uh, uh, the computer in the inside of the computer, they convert it, yeah, they convert it your uh, your type. Uh, they only knew about 1 and 0, Aldo. So inside of the computer, yeah, computer only know 1 and 0, but computers display it to us, and there's some called a perantara. How can I say perantara? And then
Transmitter,
yeah,
mediator.
to make human easy to communicate with computer, Aldo. Here's the thing, Aldo. There's a high level of programming language, and there's a low level programming language. The high level of programming language is the the language that near to a human language, Aldo. Let's say if you learn about English or Indonesian language, so the programming language near to your bahasa or your language. But if you learn about the lowest level programming language, the programming language is near to uh, the machine language. So that's the different way, Aldo. So the the things that the example that I say before is the higher level programming languages. So we can know about the term or the phrase, but if you use the lowest programming language, so you don't know it is weird synonym or syntax you don't saw before. So is it like a, I don't know, uh, huruf yang berantakan gitu ya? I don't know, yeah, something like.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
Disorganized serial number.
it still have the time.
Yeah, one more.
One more. Okay. Actually, yeah, I don't master about the programming. Yeah, and if it's for what we can say for awam people, yeah, people who don't understand, yeah, like that, yeah. And
Or commoners.
yeah, if they want to master about the programming, what basic knowledge or what, basic skill that the people should have before learn about programming, para.
Oh yeah, when you didn't have I have no knowledge about the programming language before, the things that you need to consider before learning programming language is logical reasoning, although because when we build a program, inside of our program there are some steps, or we call it algorithm. There's some steps, and it's a logic. We build it. We build the algorithm from the logic way, although. So if our logic is wrong, the result is not as our expected. So yeah, the most thing that you have to consider about the logical reasoning, although logic, yeah, logic, yeah. Logic. So and the languages that I recommend you to learn is it is a Python language, because it is near to our human language. So you didn't know the syntax, but you know the function is. So I think you didn't have to remember all of the syntax. Even I didn't. I can't memorize a lot of the syntax, but I know it because it's familiar with our language, that is English language. So I think, yeah, that's it, Aldo.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. Okay. All right. So Aldo, could you please sum up a little bit what Farah explained?
Yeah. before Farel explain about the programming language. Programming language is the tool to communicate with computer. Like example, human speak to the others by Indonesia language. Yeah. People use